Hello students. Now let us revise grammar exercises. Okay. Question number 1. Underline the proper nouns in these sentences. Underline the proper nouns in these sentences. First one. India is my country. India is my country. Here India is proper noun. Okay. You have to underline it. Second one, Diwali usually falls in October or November. Diwali usually falls in October or November. Here proper noun Diwali, underline, October, November. Diwali, October, November, proper nouns. Third one, the river Yamuna flows through Agra. The river Yamuna flows through Agra. Here Yamuna. Proper nouns Agra, the name of the place. Underline Agra. Fourth one, Mary has a lamb named Snowy. Mary has a lamb named Snowy. Here Mary, name of person. Underline, it is proper noun. And name of lamb Snowy. Underline Snowy. Question number 1. Underline the proper nouns in these sentences. First one, India is my country. Here you have to underline India, name of the place. Question number 2 is the name of the country. Example for place. Okay. 2. Diwali usually falls in October or November. Here Diwali, October or November. Diwali, October, November. You have to underline. Third one, the river Yamuna flows through Agra. Here Yamuna and Agra. Okay, you have to underline. Fourth one, Mary has a lamb named Snowy. Underline Mary and Snowy. These are all proper nouns. Question number 2, underline only the common nouns in these sentences. Underline only the common nouns in these sentences. First one, Ashwin looked for his bag in the car. Ashwin looked for his bag in the car. Here common nouns bag, car. You have to underline bag and car. Second one, I saw a monkey holding an umbrella. I saw a monkey holding an umbrella. Here you have to underline monkey and umbrella. These are common nouns. Third one, the hen is sitting on the eggs. The hen is sitting on the eggs. Underline hen and eggs. Both are common nouns. Fourth one, Hamid is sitting alone on the bench. Hamid is sitting alone on the bench. Here bench is common noun. Okay, question number 2. Underline only the common nouns in these sentences. First one, Ashwin looked for his bag in the car. Here bag and car, common nouns. Second one, I saw a monkey holding an umbrella. Monkey and umbrella you have to underline. The hen is sitting on the eggs. Hen and eggs are common nouns. Fourth one, Hamid is sitting alone on the bench. Here bench is common noun. Okay. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks with the plural form of these words. Fill in the blanks with the plural form of these words. These are all singular. Okay. You have to give plural form of these words. Okay. First one, bicycle. Spelling B-I-C-Y-C-L-E, bicycle. Now you have to make plural. Bicycles. Just you have to add yes to that. Okay. First you have to write same spelling B-I-C-Y-C-L-E, bicycle. Just add yes. Bicycles. Second one, which, spelling W-I-T-C-H. Look at the last two letters CH. So if CH is there, what you have to do? You have to add ES to that. Okay, to make it plural. Same, right? W-I-T-C-H you have to write, then you have to add ES to make it plural. Witches. Brush, B-R-U-S-H. Here also S-H. Yes, you have to write B-R-U-S-H, brush, add E-S, brushes. Pencil, P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. Pencils, just add yes to this and make it plural, pencils. Horse, H-O-R-S-E, H-O-R-S-E, horse, horses, H-O-R-S-E-S, horses, just you have to add yes to that. Parrot, P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Let us write parrot, just add yes, parrots. Watch, W-A-T-C-H. Here last two letters are C-H. So you have to add E-S to that. W-A-T-C-H, watches, E-S. W-A-T-C-H-E-S, watches. Box, last letter is X. So we have to add E-S to that to make it plural, okay? Boxes, B-O-X-E-S, boxes. Toothbrush, last letter S-H. So, tooth, T-O-O-T-H, toothbrush, B-R-U-S-H-E-S, toothbrushes. Dress, D-R-E-S-S. Look at here, double S is there, you have to add E-S. D-R-E-S-S-E-S, dresses. Fox, F-O-X-E-S, foxes. Bush, B-U-S-H, bush, bushes, B-U-S-H-E-S, bushes. Umbrella, U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella, just add yes to that, umbrellas, okay, to make it plural. Now next, star, stars, S-T-A-R-S. Broom, brooms, same, B-R-O-O-M, just add yes, brooms. Telephone, telephones, T-E-L-E-P-H-O-N-E-S, telephones. Banana, B-A-N-A-N-A, bananas. Yes, you have to add bananas. Next, carrot, C-A-R-R-O-T, carrots, C-A-R-R-O-T, yes. Nurse, N-U-R-S-E, N-U-R-S-E, yes. Nurses. Hut, H-U-T, hut, huts, H-U-T-S, huts. Girl, what is the spelling of girl? G-I-R-L, G-I-R-L, yes, girls, plural. Toy, T-O-Y, T-O-Y, yes, toys. Sister, S-I-S-T-E-R, S-I-S-T-E-R, yes, sisters. Glass, G-L-A-S-S. Look at the last two letters, double S is there. So, G-L-A-S-S-E-S, glasses. Book, B-O-O-K, books, B-O-O-K, yes. Church, C-H-U-R-C-H, last two letters, C-H is there. So, C-H-U-R-C-H-E-S, churches. Dish, D-I-S-H, last two letters, S-H. So, you have to Add es. dishes. Dishes. Tax. tax. taxes. Taxes. Okay. Star. Stars. Broom. Brooms. Telephone. Telephones. Banana. Bananas. Carrot. Carrots. Nurse. Nurses. Hut. Huts. Girl. Girls. Toy. Toys. Sister. Sisters. Glass. Glasses. Book. Books. Church. Churches. Dish. Dishes. Tax. Taxes. Okay. Now underline the adjectives in these sentences. Underline the adjectives in these sentences. Question number 4. First one, Anil is a good boy. Anil is a good boy. Here adjective good. You have to underline the adjective. Good is what? Adjective. You have to underline it. Second one, Amir had an empty bucket in his hand. Amir had an empty bucket in his hand. Here empty, you have to underline. It is adjective. Third one, yesterday we ate a lot of tasty mangoes. Yesterday we ate a lot of tasty mangoes. Here tasty is adjective. Fourth one, Alice saw a large table in the room. Alice saw a large table in the room. Here large adjective. Fifth one, the field had beautiful yellow sunflowers. The field had beautiful yellow sunflowers. Here beautiful is adjective and yellow both are adjectives. Beautiful and yellow. You have to underline. Sixth one, the proud peacock lost its lovely voice. The proud peacock lost its lovely voice. Here proud and lovely. Lovely voice. Okay, both are adjectives. The angry cap seller chased the naughty monkeys. The angry cap seller chased the naughty monkeys. Here angry and the naughty, both are adjectives. Underline the adjectives in these sentences. First one, Anil is a good boy. Here good is adjective. Second one, Amir had an empty bucket in his hand. Empty is adjective. Third one, yesterday we ate a lot of tasty mangoes. Tasty, adjective. Fourth one, Alice saw a large table in the room. Large is adjective. Fifth one, the field had beautiful yellow sunflowers. Yeah, beautiful and yellow adjectives. The proud peacock lost its lovely voice. Proud and lovely. The angry cap seller chased the naughty monkeys. Here, angry and naughty. Naughty, both are adjectives. Okay. Now next, question number 5. Fill in the blanks with correct adjectives from the list. Okay. Fill in the blanks with the correct adjectives from the list. Question number, here some adjectives given. Cunning, heavy, square, poor, red, rich, sharp, strong. Okay. Cunning, heavy, square, poor, red, rich, sharp, strong. First one, the dash fox cheated the poor rabbit. The cunning, cunning. The cunning fox cheated the poor rabbit. Second one, a dash knife hurt my hand. A dash knife hurt my hand. A sharp, sharp, a sharp knife hurt my hand. Third one, a dash porter lifted the bags. Dash porter, strong, strong, strong porter lifted the bags. Fourth one, the picture was put in a dash frame. The picture was put in a dash frame, square frame, UARE, square. SQUARE, square frame. The picture was put in a square frame. Fifth one, the boy wore dash cap on his head. The boy wore red cap on his head. Sixth one, the dash king gave some gold to the dash beggar. The dash king, the rich king, gave some gold to the poor beggar. Poor beggar. These are all the adjectives. Students, you have to practice this now, all these exercises, okay?